All right, good evening, Arkansas. This is Assistant Chief Forecaster Cameron back here once again. I'm here to give you guys kind of a video on what to expect as we get towards the Wednesday and the Thursday time frame. And you're going to see this on the map here on our Facebook page. And this is probably going to be a viral post. People are going to see it. It's going to take off. But I want to talk about the impacts of this map here, okay? So light snow across northern Arkansas, amidst some winter precipitation across central, and then cold rain across southern Arkansas here. So what we're looking at is another shot of cold air. At the same time, another system is going to rattle on the Gulf Coast, and that is where we're going to bring the potential of seeing winter weather here in Arkansas. As a matter of fact, let me take that back. This system is actually going to kind of ride along the East Texas, North Louisiana area and bring in the potential winter weather, especially for areas along that I-30, I-40 corridor points north. That's the area of concern of seeing the potential of winter precipitation as we get towards your Wednesday night and into the Thursday time frame here, followed by some much colder air coming our way as we get towards your Thursday and the Friday before yet again we warm back up for your Saturday here. So with that being said, just kind of keep that in mind. If you're looking at this video here, just keep that in mind that this is going to be not a winter storm for us here in Arkansas. We're not expecting major impacts, so please keep that in mind. I know a lot of people that work at grocery stores, it's like they don't want to see this because that means people are going to come in flooding for bread and milk and stuff like that. But please, folks, don't do that. There's no point in doing that. It's going to be a very, very light event. It's going to fall by cold temperatures. So if you're going to go to the grocery store, get some hot cocoa. Don't go for the bread and milk because it's not going to be that big of a deal. So just kind of keep that in mind whenever you see these types of graphics here. So we're going to go ahead and go to the computer model guys here. But before that, I want to talk to you guys about current temperatures right now here. So this is what we call the RTMA, or the real-time mesoscale analysis. That's basically, for layman's terms, tells you what the temperature is outside here. And you can see the snowpack areas here, northeastern Arkansas, eastern Arkansas, back into northern Mississippi and western Tennessee. Temperatures are struggling to get out in the upper 20s, low 30s up here in northeast Arkansas, northern Mississippi, western Tennessee, the Boot Hill region of Missouri, over to southern Illinois, and into western Kentucky here. So these are the same areas that have seen a lot of active weather over the last month or so. The December 10th tornado outbreak here. Then you had severe weather this past Friday and the Saturday, and then you had the snow event on Sunday. So this area has seen a lot of active weather over the past month or so. But you can see temperatures back out here towards the west where you didn't see a lot of winter weather are starting to pick up once again, but still struggling to get out of the upper 30s and low 40s across the area here in western Arkansas. So with that being said, temperatures are going to take another plunge as we get towards this upcoming work week here, mainly in the mid to late part of the week. So this is the current NAM model, the 18Z, and you can see the two lines that you need to pay attention to. It's the 540 line and the 546 line. Basically, those two lines mean a big deal whenever you're trying to forecast winter weather. And you can see by the time we get towards late Thursday night, late Wednesday night and the early Thursday, your moisture begins to return into South Arkansas here. We will have to watch, especially across South Arkansas, as we get towards late Wednesday night or Thursday morning for temperatures. If temperatures end up being colder than expected, then that winter precipitation line may end up coming further south. So we will have to watch that close. But you can see your 1028 millibar high coming down from the plains, your area of snow coming down as well. And you can see how the two mix by the time we get towards first thing Thursday morning. Light snow across northern Arkansas, mid to winter precipitation, mainly in the form of freezing rain and sleet from Hot Springs up into the Little Rock area along 30, the I-40 corridor, the Mayflower, the Conway area over towards Russellville. We'll have to watch that area closely, especially first thing Thursday morning, for the potential of a little bit of ice. And then up there in northern Arkansas, primarily light snow as the cold air looks to completely beat the moisture coming into Arkansas. So we'll have to watch and see if the cold air gets here a lot quicker. Then this could be a mainly snow event for much of northern and central Arkansas, and then southern Arkansas sees the ice. If the cold air is slower to get here, then it's going to be primarily a rain event with a little bit of snow on the backside. So there's still a little bit of uncertainty on what to do in terms of forecasting wise, but we will have to watch it closely here. You can see as we get towards Thursday afternoon here, and this is concerning, right along that I-30 corridor coming out from from southwest Arkansas and then up to the I-40 corridor that runs from about Russellville over to Little Rock over towards eastern Arkansas. An area of freezing rain, sleet, and even a mix of some heavy snow if you go with the NAM model across this area here. So we'll watch that close as we get towards your first thing Thursday morning and your Thursday afternoon. So keep that in mind. If you have any plans on Thursday, we will have to watch out for the potential of winter weather by this point. And then this gets away. Now, the NAM model is notorious for suggesting rainfall behind this here. And basically what this is, and I told you guys before, if you are along and just north of this line, the 546 line, you have the potential to see winter weather. So this is Thursday afternoon. You're talking from Camden up towards Russellville, up towards, I would say, the Harrison area, over towards northwestern Arkansas, and then over here definitely across east central Arkansas from Little Rock over towards the Memphis corridor up towards Jonesboro. Now, just want to verify right here, we will have to watch that little area corridor for the potential of not only freezing rain and sleet, but heavy snow right through this corridor here along I-40. So we will watch it once again as we get towards your Thursday time frame here. You can see what happens. This takes out all the way to Thursday night here. So if the NAM model were to verify, I could potentially see some winter weather advisories going out for much of northern and central Arkansas, and southern Arkansas kind of taking a backseat with this event here. And then it gets out of here as we get towards late Thursday and then a Friday. And I'm going to show you temperatures here. Temperatures, feels like temperatures as we get towards Thursday night and Friday. Very, very cold. Temperatures in these single digits, low teens across the area, some negatives up here towards Missouri. And you can go to temperatures real quickly here. So temperatures, as you get towards daytime on Thursday here, you can see how Thursday the temperatures are around 35, 36 degrees. All right, so we will have to watch out for, primarily in this point, will be for the potential of heavy snow and sleet in this area here because of the fact of this temperature here. I'm going to go ahead and show you your 925. So your 925 is -5. Your 850 is -4. So what happens is you have snow falling all the way through to the surface and it starts to melt. So you have to watch out for the potential of primarily heavy wet snow if you were to go with the NAM model here. So I may have to adjust the winter precipitation map a little bit over the next couple of days to kind of account for loft and surface temperatures. But you get the point on what the high-risk NAM is trying to go at here. And you can see what it does. By the time we get towards Thursday afternoon, it's out of here. But it has a mix of winter precipitation across central Arkansas, primarily snow up here, and then it's out of here as we get towards your Friday morning here. And the GFS is in Euro. The GFS, as a matter of fact, is kind of the outlier, and I can show you that real quickly here. So this is the GFS real quick, and the GFS keeps the majority of the winter precipitation. It shunts it off towards Mississippi. So we'll have to watch Mississippi close for winter weather if you were to go with the GFS, and it's quick hitting. It's out of here quick. Cold air filters down here, and then as you can see, by the time we get towards Thursday, there's your colder air really filtering down into Arkansas. So over the next couple of days, guys, it's going to be relatively cold here in Arkansas. Look for temperatures to kind of try to rebound over the next day or two, and then temperatures are going to fall once again by the time we get towards Thursday and then Friday here. And as you get towards Friday afternoon, if you go with the GFS, has temperatures in the mid to upper 30s across Arkansas, some low 40s across southern Arkansas here. So that's all I got for you guys at this point. So before, stay with us over the next couple of days. I'll have your 7-day forecast coming for you guys this evening right here on your source for all things Arkansas weather.